You know what's wild? We're living in a time where vacuum cleaners can actually think. These aren't just machines that suck up dirt. They now know where they are, what's in front of them, and even how to react when something unexpected shows up. So today, I want to show you 5 of the smartest AI robot vacuums you can get your hands on. These aren't your typical cleaners. They've got brains, instincts, and in some cases, even arms. Let's dive in. Alright, first on the list is the SwitchBot K20 Pro. And trust me, this thing is way more than just a vacuum. Sure, it vacuums like a pro, but its real trick? It's smart enough to carry things around your house. Seriously, with a special platform on its back, it can roll a mini air purifier into your bedroom, or even transport a camera to keep an eye on things. It knows exactly where it is in your home, thanks to laser mapping, and it follows your voice commands through Alexa, Siri, or Google. The best part? You can actually customize its functions. Add your own gadgets, 3D print accessories. It's basically a tiny home robot with an AI brain that's ready for more than just cleaning. Next up, the Roborock Saros Z70. This one, it's got something I've never seen before on a vacuum, a robotic arm. Yep, you heard that right. A foldable arm that can gently pick up things like socks or toys and move them out of the way before cleaning. That's thanks to its sharp visual sensors and pressure control. It doesn't just spot clutter, it understands it, reacts, and clears the way so nothing gets left behind. This is real AI at work. It sees, decides, and acts like a human would. And eventually, it'll even be able to tell you where it last saw your missing stuff. This one's more than smart, it's helpful. Then we've got the Roborock Creo Edge, and this thing, it's obsessive, in the best way. Its brushes are designed to eliminate tangles, but its brain is where the magic happens. It uses cameras and sensors to recognize up to 60 different household objects, like shoes, cords, pet bowls, and glides around them like a pro. But what makes it feel alive is the way it handles corners. It actually extends a brush and mop to hit those tricky spots most vacuums miss. And with its built-in voice assistant, just say, "Hello, Rocky," you can tell it to start cleaning or even wash its mop without touching your phone. It's like talking to a tiny butler who never gets tired. At number 4, we've got the Shark PowerDetect Never Touch Pro, aka the cleaner with a strategy. While others just sweep and hope for the best, this robot pays attention. It notices when it's rolling over dirty spots and automatically boosts its power. If it hits a stain, it goes over it again. That's smart. But here's what I love. When it mops, it knows to lift its pad when it rolls over carpets, so your rugs stay dry. It also uses blasts of air to clean along edges and extends its mop for those hard-to-reach spots. All of this is possible because of its 3D sensing system that reads the room, adapts, and adjusts in real time. It's the kind of AI that's always thinking a few steps ahead. And finally, my personal favorite, the Dreame X50 Ultra. This one's like the quiet genius of the group. It's got massive suction power, sure, but what really sets it apart is how it moves. It can lower itself to fit under furniture and lift itself up over obstacles using robotic legs. It sees in the dark thanks to a camera with built-in lighting, and it remembers every nook of your home. The brush system, designed to handle long hair without clogging. It even reaches deep into corners with extendable parts, and when it's done, it takes itself back to base, empties its bin, washes its mop, and gets ready for the next job. All of that, no reminders needed. This isn't just smart, it's self-reliant. So yeah, robot vacuums have come a long way. These 5 models aren't just cleaners, they're thinkers, helpers, and home managers. And with the way they navigate, react, and adjust on the fly, it's clear that AI isn't just a buzzword. It's becoming part of everyday life, right on your living room floor. Which one would you trust to handle your home? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And hey, if this video gave you a peek into a cleaner, smarter future, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe Technology XAI. There's a lot more where this came from.